Welcome to our channel. Today I will talk about ProtoFlow. ProtoFlow is a prostate support supplement designed to promote prostate health and overall well-being. It claims to offer comprehensive support to the bladder, prostate, and reproductive system. The formula is presented as pure, clean, and effective, emphasizing its lack of chemical coatings and non-essential fillers. The testimonials from users suggest positive effects on sleep, urinary frequency, and overall prostate health. What is ProtoFlow? ProtoFlow is a dietary supplement formulated to support prostate health. It aims to address issues such as frequent nighttime urination and other concerns related to prostate function. The blend of natural ingredients, including Chinese ginseng, cayenne pepper, and saw palmetto, is highlighted as a key feature of ProtoFlow. Key ingredients. ProtoFlow contains a blend of natural ingredients carefully handled according to the USDA National Organic Program. The key ingredients include Chinese ginseng cayenne pepper, damiana, saw palmetto, moira, puama, epimedium sagittatum, hawthorn berries, cachuaba. Features of ProtoFlow: non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free. Free of chemical coatings and non-essential fillers, claims to offer rapid and remarkable results. Ingredients processed in an FDA-registered and inspected facility. Testimonials suggest improvements in sleep, urinary habits, and overall prostate health. Benefits of ProtoFlow: supports normal bladder, prostate, and reproductive system functions. May reduce nighttime urination frequency. Positive impact on sleep quality. Potential improvements in overall prostate health. Is ProtoFlow safe for health? Real user rating. Check real customers' review from official website link in the description. Is ProtoFlow safe for health? ProtoFlow claims to be safe, emphasizing its design not only for effectiveness but also for safety. There are no reports of serious side effects. However, it acknowledges the possibility of minor side effects like headaches or nausea, though the risk is stated to be low. The product is recommended for healthy adults over 18, and individuals with pre-existing conditions are advised to consult a doctor. Is ProtoFlow approved by FDA? ProtoFlow is approved by the FDA. However, it's important to note that dietary supplements are not directly approved by the FDA in the same way as pharmaceutical drugs. They may be registered or comply with certain regulations. Get ProtoFlow discount prices from official website. Check link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends,